Yeah, look, it's been fabulous running this program. The participants across Isaac and Mackay have been sensational. They've put in so much commitment, time and effort, and just the passion and responses and how engaged people have been throughout. It's really made a fantastic program.
I think it's also been great from a team perspective, just to get more out of a team you're working with, and to be able to contribute more to that team yourself as well.
We've made so many amazing contacts here over the last 4 workshops. The one-on-ones has really gone in depth with my personality and how I work well in the workplace. So it's just been such an amazing experience to just grow as a person, grow as a leader.
And I definitely put forward that if anybody gets the opportunity to work on some of the programs or within the programs that Mackay Tourism have provided, it's great not only personally but obviously for those networks and connections